Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and now we have to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's enter manage apps and here let's choose this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got the the option to reset app preferences, so simply tap on it. And here your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions also. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps. And actually this is it. This is how to reset app preferences in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.